Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study in Harvard Medical School. To truly thrive, you must first grasp the unique academic culture. Harvard Medical School offers an unparalleled educational journey, emphasizing both scientific discovery and compassionate patient care. You will engage with a curriculum designed to challenge and inspire, preparing you for leadership in medicine. This journey requires dedication, intellectual curiosity, and a commitment to lifelong learning, all within a supportive and innovative environment. Gaining admission to Harvard Medical School is highly competitive, with an acceptance rate typically around 3%. Prospective students need an outstanding academic background, often with a grade point average above 3.9. Strong performance on the MCAT is crucial, with successful applicants often scoring in the 95th percentile or higher. Extensive research experience and meaningful clinical exposure are also vital components of a compelling application. The Harvard Medical School curriculum is structured to provide a comprehensive and integrated learning experience. The first 2 years focus on foundational sciences through courses like human biology and disease, often involving small group work. The subsequent 2 years are dedicated to clinical clerkships, where students rotate through major specialties at affiliated hospitals. This hands-on experience, combined with advanced electives, ensures a well-rounded medical education. Harvard Medical School provides a wealth of resources to support student success and well-being. Students have access to world-class libraries, state-of-the-art simulation labs, and dedicated academic support. A vibrant student life includes over 100 student organizations, offering opportunities for leadership and community engagement. Comprehensive wellness programs are also available, ensuring students maintain a healthy balance throughout their demanding medical studies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.